Hello everyone, welcome back to channel, and today we'll be discussing that how you can screen record on your iPhone 16 Pro Max or an iOS 18.4.1. It's very easy. What you need to do is swipe from the right side of your phone just like this, and a control center will come up. You see that there is an option here on the top left corner, positive sign. You just need to tap on it and you see that there's an option given add a control. Just tap on it, and after doing this a screen like this will come up. These are the options that you can put there into your control center when you swipe down. You see that Apple has given a built-in app screen recording. If you tap on it, it will automatically go to your control center screen. As I have already done it before, just need to keep one of it and just tap on the right side. You see that if I tap on the screen recording, my screen will give a timer and it will automatically start recording just like this. The timer starts and it starts recording. All of the screen data which I am recording will save to the photos section. And to stop this screen recording, I just need to tap on the screen like this. And you see that screen recording timer will be stopped, and I can just save the recording to my photos section. So that's how you can screen record on iOS 18.4.1, and I hope this video is helpful. This video works on across all iPhone platforms or across all iOS 18.4.1 if you are upgradable to that. I hope this video is helpful, and for next video please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.